long we haven't met. Today I'm showing you one recipe. As we are all inside our house, I'm showing you the recipe with the ingredient you have inside your house. Come, I'll show you what is that recipe. Hi friends, this is my 2 bowls of leftover rice along with the mixed vegetable, and I'm going to add the ingredients. This is 2 tablespoons of semolina, besan, gram flour, then this is coriander and cumin seed powder, this is salt, half tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and this is a little bit turmeric. We'll be using 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm using this Alba's yogurt, a pinch of garlic bread spice, and little bit pinch of soda bicarb. This one is optional. If you have, you can add. Otherwise, without this also you can make. This is a cheese slice. It is with the green chutney. So all these ingredients we are going to mix in this leftover rice. You can see I have added all this. Now I will be mixing this one. Slowly. We have added 2 tablespoons of yogurt inside this. We have added the garlic bread spice here. Added pinch of soda bicarb here. Slowly adding water inside this. So this is the batter ready. You can add up ginger and chili paste, even garlic paste. You want to add up any spices, you can add up any spices in this. Even you can add more gram flour, more semolina. It is up to you, up to your taste. Now we will leave this batter for 15 to 20 minutes. Let it get set. So after 20 minutes you can see my batter is ready, and now we will be trying the appe from this. Here I have added the cheese slice and mixed with. This is my appe pan. I have already on my stove, so it is hot. I will add the oil and add the appe batter inside this. Let's add the oil in the appe pan and let's make it ready. So now we will add up the batter. So friends, here I am starting. You can make this recipe with very less oil and it is really very healthy. Now adding bit of oil above that, and then I will cover it with the lid. Let it get cooked properly. Here I am covering this one. Slowly we have to turn this. I have turned all the appes. Now I will top over little bit of oil, let it cook. You can see my appes are ready now. Wow. So friends, here is my appe ready. I am trying it with the chili sauce and ketchup. So let's get hurry and prepare this appe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and try this recipe and write your comment.